Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with RPR for property report searches, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with RPR for property report searches, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the RPR website at www.nar.realtor/RPR. Look for the sign up or register option on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to initiate your registration. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to. Next, create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name and contact details. Select your professional designation from the drop-down menu. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. You may need to verify that you are not a robot by completing a CAPTCHA. After filling in all necessary details, click on the Submit button. Check your email for a confirmation message from RPR. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the RPR website and log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you can explore the features available for property report searches. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools. Start searching for property reports by entering the property information in the search bar. Utilize filters to refine your search results as needed. Review the comprehensive property reports generated by RPR for your selected listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.